welcome to this video review about the Genius Wave. I'm pretty sure you're looking for more information about this program. My name is Vic, for those who don't know me, and I'm here in this very quick video just to tell you the main information about this book, right? Tell you what it is, what it does, if it really works, but also share with you a really important alert that you must know before actually purchase it. It's not just a book, of course, it's also an audio, but I'm here to tell you everything. But it was advanced, of course, and I left the link for the official website just below in the description of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below. Then you will go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But I really recommend you guys to stay with me until the end because the alerts will be available only here on this video. You know, guys, that there is a part of our brain, the theta, that is a sound. When our brain listens to it, it likes activate a part of our brain that will seek for everything you really deserve. It will open the connection of you and the universe. So finally you will, bring to your life all the abundance that you really deserve, right? It's different from meditations that it will take a long time. You have to be concentrated. This sound has just 7 minutes. You just have to take 7 minutes of your day to listen to it every single day. And that's it, guys. In just a few weeks, you will start seeing your life changing for good, okay? So it will change your whole life, all of the areas of your life. It will achieve your career, job, your family, relationships, love relationships, your financial life as well. It will bring all of the abundance and wealth that you really deserve after listening to it, all right? It's a different wave. It will really activate that part of your brain. It will open up. This part of our brain is activated when you're kids. That's why we learn so fast. We have a happy and joyful life, but as we grow up, this area will be closing and closing. And it's just possible to open it with this sound now that the scientists figured it out. Besides all of these benefits, they even offer you money back guarantees. You can actually test it. And if you don't see results, you just have to contact the support team that they will return 100% of your money back, all right? Just be sure that you are on the official website before buying it. This is my alert for you guys because this program is available to purchase only on the official website. It is not possible to buy it in other websites, so be very careful with that. That's why I left the link just below in the description of my video. Also, on the official website, you can see all the complete information about it, people's testimonials, and buy the original product. So I really recommend you guys to go now and check this out.